Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Solana update. It's good to see you all here, and we're going to be taking a look at Solana. We'll do a little bit of head and shoulders pattern spotting because in the comments, and I know a lot of people are looking at this and think, wow, this is the clearest head and shoulders we've seen in a very long time, which is true, all right? And I know what a head and shoulders pattern is. The thing though is why I haven't mentioned it so far is because I don't use it in my trading. All right, I use different things, different price action indicators, and sure, a head and shoulders pattern, could be good, but in my eyes, sure, like you could have made money with it, but I don't think it's the best way to make money, especially not on its own. All right, but let's put it on the chart real quick. All right, so you see something like this. Here you have the left shoulder, then you have the head, and then you have the right shoulder, and this can be the bottom. All right, so then you have a neckline like this. And we broke down below that, which, by the way, also coincides with the 236 fib and the 50 EMA. So that is quite a big bearish breakout. So this is all true, all right? I mean, this head and shoulders pattern so far seems to be respected. And then you would assume, I think the rule was that the amount from the neckline to the head, you should also expect downwards. So that would be a move, I would say, down to $47, which is also a strong support. The thing though is that I don't necessarily think this is working out right now. All right, and I'll tell you why. All right, and that is because a head and shoulders pattern in my book is a trending indicator. All right, because that means that there was a big trend and that there's some sort of a reversal coming. All right, that is in theory always trending. And what you see right now is that the ADX yesterday dropped down to 15, which is super low. All right, and then the EMAs are also practically falling flat. So I'm saying it's more likely that Solana right now is just consolidating. All right, and Solana was showing some momentum earlier this week when it tried to break above 62.5. Never did that. So that's also a confirmation that it was bullish, wasn't able to break out. In my eyes, that's a confirmation of a consolidation. So that is what I'm telling you the situation for Solana right now is. And I think that's also confirmed if you take a look at the momentum it has. Yeah, it's been pretty stable since Friday the 17th, when Solana settled below $60. The open interest has practically been the same. It went up a little bit on Sunday. So that is when it was trying to break out. But now the most likely scenario for Solana is a consolidation. That's also, not necessarily completely what Bitcoin is doing, but Bitcoin, like there's not that much going on this week regarding crypto. Not economically, like we did have some news obviously yesterday, but apart from that, not that much. So I think a consolidation is actually not that weird. And then the main resistance level is pretty clear. That's between 60 and 62.5. And then the main support level is a little bit less clear. I would say it's this level around 0.382 fib with $50. That's the strongest level. It is surrounded by the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA, which could provide support around it. But in general, this is what I think the situation for Solana is. And I think this is what you need to know. All right, because from here, like what we're waiting for is for Solana to either break above 62.5 and rally up to $70 and $75, which is what I've said was the most likely scenario for the last week or so. So I think this is most likely still to happen. But on the other hand, what could also happen, and what even looks more likely now, is that Solana will get a little bit more bearish momentum in the short term, down to 53, potentially even $50. So I do think that's a possibility, and you could see that as a confirmation of the head and shoulders pattern. But in my eyes, it's just normal market structure following, because I do expect Solana to then find support at $50 and bounce back up to 60, which, like I said, I still expect to break at some point of time. So those are my thoughts. That's, I think, all you need to know about the market structure for Solana right now and the possibilities from that. But if you do still have any questions, which I can understand, then let me know down in the comments. All right, let me know. For now, thank you for watching and listening. Also check out the description or the pinned comment if you want more info on my premium group or signals group. The signals right now are not that great, last week at least. But overall, they're profitable, and we had some amazing spot buys. Like yesterday, one of the coins went up 100% in about 6 hours. So yeah, if you're interested in that, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.